Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I've been working with Millboard on an initiative to reduce waste and reduce landfill and just come up with different ideas to use the offcuts. And this is one of the ideas that we've came up with. It's been approved by Cookie, who is perfectly sitting here. She definitely won't run away in the next minute or so. But what we've done is we've replicated Karen McClure's main building that she designed last year with a mini kennel, all used from the offcuts of this particular project. And yeah, as Cookie runs away, you can see the great idea of utilising these offcuts. So instead of it going to landfill, it's been an added benefit to potentially the owner or the family. You may get a couple of days extra labour out of it as well, and it's just free stuff, and it doesn't go to landfill and gets used in this beautiful way. So so this one is going to stay here. So if you're making a visit to see come here to Bakers and see us, then feel free to bring your dog along and it can see the kennel and use it. And yeah, just be interested to know any other ideas. I've seen planters being made out of the Millboard material, but also any other ideas that you have around reducing waste and giving that value added to the client. There we go. So that's our Karen McClure inspired Baker's Kennel.